Welcome to Visual Schedule Builder, a simple new tool to help you find your optimal schedule. This video will walk you through how to use and search for classes using the My Classes Offered feature on your Student Center. Right now, I'm logged into RAMS on the Student Center page. To get started, you are going to click on the Enroll, Drop, Swap quick link on your Student Center and select a term. In my case, it'll be Fall 2018. We will begin by searching for classes using the Search by My Classes Offered functionality. The Search by My Classes Offered functionality allows you the ability to enroll using a filtered version of your advisement report. That shows only the courses you have completed and classes that are offered to your program and plan in the term you have selected. If you're already enrolled in undergraduate courses, your current enrollments will appear on your advisement report as in progress and will be preloaded into the Visual Schedule Builder. From there, you can add and remove courses as you want to, or you can start from scratch. Note that continuing education courses will appear in Visual Schedule Builder as display only. Any changes to those class enrollments must be completed directly via the Student Center and RAMS. So let's get started. Let me expand the list for the third and fourth semester requirements and scroll down to view the courses that are required for my program of study and that are also offered this term. Once I find the course I need, I'll click on the description link. In this case, it's going to be POG 230. Do you notice how the VSB course queue box is now visible on this page? Now I'll review the course description and verify that I meet the prerequisite requirements for the course. Clicking on the Add to Queue button right below the course description moves the selected course to the My Course queue. I can click the Return to Search by My Classes Offered link to select and add another course. I also know I need one more course from Table 1 Humanities group in my Year 1. Whoa, there are 37 choices available here. Let me click the View All. I'll go ahead and add the SPN 101 to my course queue. I also know that I am missing one course from Table 1 Social Sciences group. Let me see what is offered in the fall term. This sounds interesting. Let me select CRM 100. And there, I've added it to my course queue. Well, I think I'm done. I'm ready to build my schedule. Let me click on the Build Schedule link to build my schedule. Oh, what's this message? It says I have to select a term and click on the Import to VSB button to add these courses to my schedule. Okay, now I click on the term at the top and click the Import to VSB button. And there, yeah, I can see my schedule. I can toggle classes on and off and see how they affect my schedule. This feature lets me play around with different potential schedules. If I decide that I don't want one of these courses, I can simply remove it by clicking the X next to the course title. Now that I've added the courses I want, I can shift my attention to the results panel on the right, where I'm presented with all the schedule options for the courses I've selected. You can see here that I've come up with a total of 59 results, which is of course way more than I need or have time to sort through. When you have your optimal schedule, click Get This Schedule. To finalize and complete the enrollment transaction, click the Do Actions button. Now to review your updated schedule, click the Return to Select Courses button. So there you have it. That's Search by My Classes Offered with Visual Schedule Builder, helping you progress through your program requirements and find your optimal schedule quickly and easily.